So, very interesting one. Daughter's Fiat Punto 2012. Yesterday driving along, bolt shears out of the near side engine mount. As you can see, engine's tipped forward, and in the process it's ragged the near side drive shaft out from the engine side. Done the coolant bottle connections as well, snap them off. So, is she worth saving? Parts in total: coolant bottle, drive shaft, and engine mount, probably in the region of 160 to 200 quid. Can't get them from my local motor factors. So anyway, started, took the drive shaft, and there's the offending engine mount. There's the bolt that sheared off. That's the engine side of the drive shaft. And the engine is currently sitting pretty much on the under tray. So we shall have a bash, I think. We've had her for 9 years. It was my daughter's first car when she first passed the test, and to be fair, I service it once a year. Obvious serviceable parts replaced as and when, but it has never given us any problems whatsoever. So a bit of a sentimental attachment. I'll do a follow-up video. Thank you.